I built an AI appointment setter and made $4, 221 days, 3 weeks ago. I closed my third client for an AI appointment setting chatbot. Each one paid me $1, $400 upfront, plus $300 a month. That's $4, 200 in my first 3 weeks, and I'm going to show you the exact system I built, the outreach message I used, and the sales framework that closed all 3 deals. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a lead qualifying chatbot using free and low-cost tools, how to find local businesses that actually need this, and what to say on sales calls to close them. Full transparency. It took me 47 outreach messages to land my first client. This isn't passive income, and it's not instant. But if you're willing to do outreach and learn one technical skill, this is a real service business you can start this week. Step 1. Understanding what you're actually selling. Local service businesses, dentists, HVAC companies, real estate agents, med spas. They all have the same problem. They get leads from Google, Facebook ads, or their website, but most of those leads never book an appointment because nobody responds fast enough. The chatbot you're building does 3 things. It responds instantly when someone fills out a form, it asks qualifying questions to figure out if they're a serious lead, and it books them directly into the business owner's calendar. You're not selling AI magic. You're selling speed and automation for a problem they already know they have. Step 2. Building the chatbot. Here's the actual automation workflow. You need 3 things: a trigger, the AI conversation logic, and a calendar booking integration. I use Make.com for this. It's a visual automation builder, you'll see why in a second. Here's how the workflow looks. Part A. The trigger. When someone submits a form on your client's website, let's say a dentist's book a consultation form, that submission gets caught by a webhook in Make. A webhook is just a URL that receives data. In Make, you create a new scenario, add a webhook module as your trigger, and copy that URL into your client's form settings. Now every form submission hits your automation. Part B. The AI conversation. Next, you connect the ChatGPT API module. You'll need an OpenAI account. API access costs about $0.02 per conversation, so it's cheap. In the ChatGPT module, you write a system prompt. Here's the exact one I use. You are a friendly assistant for a potential customer just submitted a contact form. Your job is to 1. Greet them warmly, 2. Ask if they're looking to book an appointment, 3. Confirm their preferred date and time, 4. Collect their phone number if not provided. Keep responses under 30 words. Be conversational. Then you map the form data, name, email, message, into the user message field. The AI reads what they wrote and responds accordingly. Part C. Sending the response and booking. The AI's response gets sent back to the lead via email or SMS. I use the email module in Make for this. It sends from your client's business email. If the lead confirms they want to book, the next module in the workflow is a Calendly or Google Calendar integration that sends them a booking link or directly creates the appointment. Here's what the full workflow looks like. Webhook, ChatGPT, email, calendar. 4 modules. That's it. You can test this yourself before you ever talk to a client. Set up a dummy form, run submissions through it, and watch it work. That hands-on practice is what makes you confident on sales calls. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They build the thing, but they have no idea who to sell it to or what to say. That's the next part. Step 3. Finding clients. You're targeting local service businesses that get leads online but don't have a sophisticated follow-up system. Here's how to find them. Go to Google Maps. Search dentist, HVAC, real estate agent. Open 10, 15 businesses. Visit their websites. If they have a contact form but no live chat or instant response system, they're a prospect. Grab their email from the contact page. If there's no email, use a tool like Hunter.io to find it. There's a free tier. Now, the outreach message. This is the exact script I used for all 47 messages. Subject: quick question about your leads. Hi, I noticed you're getting leads through your website contact form. I built a system that responds to those leads instantly with an AI chatbot, qualifies them, and books them into your calendar automatically. I'm working with 2 other businesses in right now, and it's averaging 30% more booked appointments in the first month. Would you be open to a 15-minute call this week to see if it's a fit? No pressure if not. That's it. No hype. No guarantees. Just a clear off.